How to make keto eggwiches. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, also like the video, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Thank you. The ingredients: 6 large eggs, 1 tablespoon heavy cream, 4 slices cooked bacon, chopped, 1 cup spinach, chopped, salt and pepper to taste, 5-ounce breakfast sausage, cooked, 3-ounce cheddar cheese, sliced. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. In a bowl, combine the eggs, heavy cream, chopped bacon, chopped spinach, salt, and pepper. Mix together until everything is combined well. 3. In a frying pan over medium heat, add oil and an egg ring. This will help to create a perfect circle. 4. Add the mixture into the egg ring until it gets full. Let this cook for about 2 minutes. 5. Remove the egg ring and flip. Let the other side cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat this until all of the egg mixture is gone. 6. On top of an egg circle, add the cooked breakfast sausage and a slice of cheese. Top with another egg circle. 7. Serve immediately and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 3 servings of keto eggwiches. Each serving comes out to be 547 calories, 42.7 grams fat, 2.9 grams net carbs, and 36.2 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below for more recipes.